Hey everyone, Amirwan is here, and in today's video, I'm going to share something super interesting and super powerful that is going to blow your mind. And I'm dead sure you guys are going to love it because I am going to show you the live results, the live search in ChatGPT that is showing listicles that you can replicate this strategy basically as like 4 to 5 years ago it was hard to rank in Google. Like everyone was chasing Google ranking, but right now everyone is chasing Chat GPT and other AI models ranking. If you can rank something, if you can rank a local business or anything in Chat GPT, then you are done. Like it is the one of the best uh, way that you can crack this basically thing. And if you get to know that how you can do it, then you're done. So before discussing anything, let's move on to the screen and see today revenue numbers, and from there we will discuss this strategy. I'm going to show you live results in which you can see the local businesses and all other kind of products or anything like that are ranking in search results. So let's move on to the screen. Today we did 488, and the revenue split into 160 came from ad sites, because in the past I have heavily focused on the ad sites, so I still generate some good amount of money from ad sites. It is like 160, 260 came from Gas Post, and $68 came from Amazon Affiliate. The agency services that we offer and the local SEO services revenue is not included in it as always. So I have mentioned some kind of description about listicle. I'm dead sure that guys know about what are listicles and how they actually work, and why everyone is using them right now. Because right now the previous before this people were using PBNs and gas posts to dominate ranking for Google. But right now, the space has changed, the demand has changed, and everyone is chasing um, listicles. Like if you can rank something in Chat GPT, then you can do like anything right now. Okay, so this is the basic description. Without wasting, you can read it. You can get access to this sheet if you want. The link will be in the description of this video. But without wasting further time, let's move on to the first example, like the first example that we did. Here you can search like best foundation repair services in Houston, or recommended, or anything. Like you can use other different kind of keywords. Here you can see that search results, like few sites are ranking, and here are the sources of that ChatGPT provide. And in the second example, we did best mower cleaning companies in Denver. And in the third example, we did best real estate agents in Las Vegas. So to show you live results, let me open ChatGPT. This is basically in incognito window. You can see that I have not uh, did the sign in or anything in ChatGPT. I just simply open it and then doing this search. Here you can see different search results, and now the main thing is how you will find out that your guest posts and your PBNs are working. So here I'm going to show you some PBNs that are working. If you're watching this video right away, because these results, most of the time these results are being changed. If you are watching this video right away, you can do these searches, and you can see that these businesses are going to appear sometime on the first, and sometime on the third, and sometime on the second. The business that in this for this specific search is being targeted is Two Brothers Foundation Repair. You can when you do this research, it goes to sources. You can see that ChatGPT will cite different sources to show you these results. You can open this one. We can open this one. These are basically the PBNs, the listicles that about which I am talking right now. Okay, so you can open this. This seems to be. This is not a listicle basically. Okay, so let's have a look on this listicle. Moving on to the next one here, you can see this is basically a PBN, a very dominating PBN that is appearing, and many are listicles appearing from this specific PBN. Here you can have a look. They are targeting two brothers. The next site, this is basically a guest post or some kind of guest post. I'm not sure this is a guest post. Here you can have a look on this. They are best foundation companies. The AC, they are also targeting two brothers repair. And the next one, this is also some kind of press release or guest post. They are also targeting two brothers, and uh, they are see best two brothers. So I think so. This one is not targeting them, so you can close it. I think there is one example of PBN and 3 to 4 example of guest post and press releases. So that is the reason this specific business is appearing on the second position. Sometime it can go to the third or might be four, and sometime it can appear at the top depending on Chat GPT response. The second example is best move out cleaning companies in Denver. So when you look on it, you can see that there are not that much listicle, but I'm not sure there will be one or two results for this. I don't think so. Most of the sources that they are citing are uh, basically basically the normal pages. So I don't think so. We will be able to find the. This is the how-to article and top 10 cleanses in Denver. Alpine. This seems to be the definitely this is the guest post, and they are here. You can see they are again appearing at the second position. Here they are targeting it. This is dead sure that this is I'm dead sure this is the guest post to target this specific business, Alpine Maze, and. Yeah, I think this is also gas post or something like that, but this has been deleted due to some reason. Okay, so moving on to the next one, best real estate agents in Las Vegas. This is basically the business appearing at top is Julia Grambo. Basically, ChatGPT switched them sometime depending on their response. If you open them, let's open these results and then see. These seems to be the definitely these are listicles, and let's open them and then see them one by one. Okay, so this is the first listicle. This is basically a PBN, and here you can see that they have the title, they have the content, and then they are targeting this business. Here we have a second. Here we have a second PBN, the same PBN that we are appearing for the previous search result. Because sometime I don't know why ChatGPT start favoring a specific PBN or guest post site or anything due to some reason. Okay, so here is again this business is appearing, and the third time continuously. Here you can see this business again. It does not matter that, always keep in mind that for Chat GPT, it does not matter that you should have a link from that specific page or not. If your business, if you are mentioning your business at top or on a second position by rotating it, and there is a like a link without a hyperlink over it, then it is good to go. You are done. Like you can, if you can replicate it for multiple time, like this is another one, another PBN post on the same domain, I think so. Yeah, it's on the same domain, but a like different, little bit different title. So this is the entire strategy, this is the entire method. You can use the exact same method. All you have to do is to mix the PBNs and guest posts. I have mentioned here that by combining listicle content with guest post and PBN links, you can position your pages on the top in AI generated answers. The strategy can help you to visible in ChatGPT and all other AI search systems and models, because almost all of these AI models currently follow the same strategy and same method, that which is listicle. And the interesting fact is that these domains, these PBNs does not have that much authority or that much links, referring domains or anything like that, but still ChatGPT cite them in their uh, answers. I don't know the reason behind this. I don't know why they are citing these PBNs that are not that authoritative, but still they favor it. So it matter and it work. You can do it by yourself easily. You can you can target your main keyword, publish different articles on different PBNs, and then mix them with guest post. But if it feels hard, or if it feels challenging or difficult for you, then we also offer this service. You can simply outreach to me for this, to discuss a customized plan for your camping, or you can simply follow the link in the description below this video, where you can directly order the listicles from us. And I'm that sure those listicles are going to help you to rank in Chat GPT and other AI models. So that's it for today. I'm that sure you are going to love this video. If you have any questions or any kind of feedback, you can ask your questions in comment section and share your feedback in comment section. And we'll see you in the next video.